All Parties Hurriyat Conference has called upon the G20 countries to flatly refuse to Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi's invitation to participate in the forum's meeting in the UN-acknowledged disputed Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. APHC spokesman in a statement issued in Srinagar said India's plan to host G20 meeting in Srinagar is meant to mislead the world about the ground situation in the occupied territory. Indian State Investigation Agency continued raids at multiple locations in central, north and south parts of the Kashmir Valley on Tuesday morning. The sleuths of the dreaded investigation agency, with the assistance of Indian Police and Central Reserve Police Force, carried out raids in Baramulla, Islamabad, Pulwama, Budgam, Sopore areas. In Islamabad, the residence of Awais Gul, son of Muhammad Gul, was searched by the SIA sleuths. Former member of the Indian Parliament Chaudhry Lal Singh has said that Jammu is in a state of emergency under present regime led by the Narendra Modi. While addressing large gathering in Kathua district, he castigated the Indian government led by Bharatiya Janata Party for its mindless decisions, which has caused a state of emergency all across the Jammu region. In Ladakh, people have announced to continue their agitation till struggle for their rights prove successful. Leh Apex Body and Kargil Democratic Alliance, which represent people from two districts of Ladakh, Leh and Kargil, demanded statehood, protection under 6th schedule, job reservation for local residents, a separate public service commission for Ladakh, and 2 parliamentary seats for Leh and Kargil. Unidentified miscreants attacked the residence of the All India Majlis-e-Ittihadul Muslimin chief and member of the parliament Asaduddin Owaisi's residence and pelted stones and damaging the windows. Earlier tonight, I returned from Jaipur and was informed by my domestic help that a bunch of miscreants pelted stones that resulted in broken windows, Asaduddin Owaisi tweeted. 3 residents of the occupied Kashmir were killed in a road accident in Rajasthan, a state of India. A truck met with an accident in Churu area of the state, in which 3 persons, Jahangir Ahmed Naiko, Muhammad Yusuf Butt and Shaukat Ahmed Wani, died on the spot. Jammu-Srinagar highway was closed on Tuesday for vehicular traffic due to landslide. The highway was closed on the road stretch between Ramban and Banihal. People turned up in thousands to attend the funeral procession of Hurriyat activist Bashir Ahmed Peer, commonly known as Imtiaz Alam, in Rawalpindi today. Bashir Ahmed Peer, known as Imtiaz Alam, was martyred in an attack on Monday as he left Masjid after Maghrib prayers in Rawalpindi. People from various walks of the life, including APHC, AJK leaders and Kashmiri migrants, participated in his funeral.